Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 6. It is from section 3.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. We need to determine whether the relation represents a function. Okay, let's take a look at what the inputs are. The inputs are the first coordinates. So the inputs, okay? So we have an A, a C, and another A. So that means that each input doesn't have exactly one output, right? The inputs are not allowed to repeat. And so we can already say this relation is not a function. Inputs are not allowed to repeat. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.